Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me Dior. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth item that I bought from Zalora, which is from Trendyol, I guess. You can use wait. Okay, Trendyol. Okay, and then this is mid-waist skinny jeans. Okay, and the size is 29. Here, there's also okay, yeah, so it's 79. Okay, all right, let's unboxing. Okay, the packaging is so simple. Yeah, okay, it's for delivery, but if you're buying the a shop, I'm not sure, maybe of course not plastic, just like this. Okay, so it's skinny jeans. Okay, you can see the whole thing. Okay, so here we okay, the front is okay, and then you see this it's only tak nampak. Okay, dari sini sikit. Okay. Okay, this one. This 29. Okay, this so. Okay, Trendyol. Istanbul. Oh, baru tahu. Trendyol, Trendyol UK Limited. Well, I just buy, but I don't know the exact history of this brand. Okay, I'm not sure. So, okay, the price is how much is it? The price is like this only. I think the price is like 200 something, but I got it like 60 ringgit or something. I forgot. What's this? Recycle blended, claim standard. Okay. Trendyol, okay. Yeah. Trendyol, okay. And then you have this tag. So Trendyol men. Yeah. Okay. And so this. Okay. So behind like this only, and no button, and in front like this. We have this 1, 2, 3, or the normal button, and this. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now I'm gonna try. Okay, it's inside with this. Now I'm gonna try and see how it goes. The feel like really jeans and a bit stretchy, but yeah, okay, I'm gonna try. Okay, see you later on.